In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a second account in Amazon. This is really useful if you share a computer with someone else, or if you simply have more than one Amazon account and want to switch between them quickly without signing in and out every time. First, make sure you're already signed in to one of your Amazon accounts on your computer. Once you're on the Amazon homepage and logged in, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen. There, you'll see a menu labeled Account and Lists. Instead of clicking it right away, hover your mouse over it. After a second, a drop-down menu will appear. In this drop-down, look for the option that says Switch Accounts and click on it. When you do, a small pop-up window will appear, showing any accounts currently linked to this browser. Inside this pop-up, find and click on Manage Accounts. The pop-up will refresh and show you additional options. Now, look for the button or link that says Add Account and click on that. This will take you to Amazon's regular sign-in or account creation page. At this point, you can either create a brand new account or log into an existing one. In this example, we'll use an existing Amazon account. In the sign-in form, type the mobile number or email address associated with the second account you want to add. Double check that you're entering the details for the correct account, especially if you manage several. Once that's done, click Continue, then enter the password for that account. When you're ready, click the sign in button. After you sign in successfully, Amazon will add the second account to the Switch Accounts pop-up on this browser. To see it in action, move your mouse back up to Account and Lists at the top right, hover again, and click on Switch Accounts. You'll now see both your original account and the new one you just added. From here on, whenever you want to move from one account to the other, simply open the Switch Accounts pop-up and click on the profile you want to use. Amazon will automatically switch you over without asking you to enter your email and password again on that device. And that's it. You've now added a second Amazon account and made it much easier to jump between accounts in just a couple of clicks.